Hey everyone, so today I would show you how you can create hard drive partition in your computer system. So let's start. So first of all, we will go to File Explorer. Now here you need to go to this PC and just right click here and then go to Manage option. Then you need to go to the disk management option under the storage section. So I would just go here and you can see the C drive of your computer. So just right click here and then click on shrink volume. So it is saying that querying volume for available shrink space. So I would just wait for some time. So now you need to enter the amount of space to shrink in MBs. So I want 5 GB of space. So I would just convert it into MB, that is 5120, and just then click on shrink. Now you can see an unallocated partition has been created. So I would just right click here and then click on new simple volume. Now click on next, then click on next. Now you need to choose the drive letter. So I would choose it as D and just click next. You can label your volume. So I would label it as data. Then click next, then click on finish. So now you can see data partition has been created. Let me just show you by minimizing this. Here you can see the partition has been created. So now I would show you how you can delete this partition. So you need to go back to your disk management under the storage section. Now you need to right click on the data partition that you have created just now and then click on delete volume. So it is saying that deleting this volume will erase all data on it, backup your data. So it is saying that if you have data in this volume, so please backup it. So then click on next. So now you can see it has been unallocated. So I would just right click on the C drive and then you need to click on extend volume. Now here click on next and then choose disk partition and then click on next and then click on finish. So now you can see the partition has been deleted. Let me just show you by closing it. Here you can see this has become normal. Thank you.